would I be dealing with a label when the videos suck? While the budget in the States is $1 million. Don't wanna do it Sony, I could pull an Indian duck. Government don't wanna fund it, they ain't giving a but I gotta stay, people only listen to pop. Got the responsibility to pump the industry up. Rappers affiliated with a drink in the club. That's an image that is pissing me off. Honestly, I don't think everyone should post an opinion as such, but the political spirit isn't as given as much. Not to mention this aborigine of stick of injustice. I'm spitting for a cousin who is sitting in cuffs. I admit that I'm living with a different buzz. I commit that I never rap for the money. I'd rather be hungry than have a passion in indigenous stuff than go platinum with a single of drugs. Serious, I'd rather get a minimum cut than have a dividend fund. Different method that could regenerate love in a generation of haters that you think we are from. Oh man, you see we ain't a stick in the mud. Same reason we eliminate guns. Same reason that love will be made legal in a figure of months. I don't say this to be bigger or nothing. I'm trying to see what is wrong in order to be a people equal as one. Man, I feel like I'm an aerial element right now. Feel like every other thing is irrelevant right now. And you bet that I'ma get with it, help me to fly now. Why would I be looking for a beat, leave me waiting in line when I'm all about the drums and I'm able to grind? Not to mention money-wise, haven't paid all my fines, and I love the collaboration, but I'm wasting my time. So many men and women with the fame in their eyes. You wanna keep it on the prize, gotta pay them no mind. I do it for the love, it's the way of my life, and what I speak in the streets, what I say on the mic. The vision I've been having is allegory, the passion is amatory. I love it like Frank in a can of ravioli. I've been up in the laboratory and rap shit, I wanna get it like Mac, 'cause I'm Rick, I'm Manic and Matt and Morty. Rap is amazing, it should be mandatory. Nowadays my niece and nephew been dabbing on me. What a time to be alive, right? The more minds with the rise, the bigger the storyline. Yo!
I learned these things I know now. There's so much more, there's no doubt. I'm up, I'm about to go down. I need to just go all out. I learned these things I know now. There's so much more, there's no doubt. I'm up, I'm about to go down. I need to just go all out. I learned these things I know now. I know I'm about to fly south. Sick of dealing with pelicans right now, because I feel like a peregrine right now. Man, I feel like a peregrine right now. Gotta feel like a peregrine right now. A better way than I've ever been right now. In a place I've never been right now.
Man, I feel like I'm an aerial element right now.
Man, I feel like a peregrine right now.
Feel like every other thing is irrelevant right now.
God, I feel like a peregrine right now.
And you bet that I'ma get with it, help me